It's spirit boosting time. Spirit boosting time. Spirit boosting time. Spirit boosting time. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bringing to you today a small stockpile haul. Some things for the holidays and some things just to keep in the pantry or storage cabinet, storage shelf, storage area. That's what's going on over here. Well, it's voting day, y'all. How many of y'all going grocery shopping or shopping and voting at the same time? Hope your decision when you do vote is the right one, because a lot of our rights are allegedly supposed to be taken away if one side wins. And you know what side that is. Allegedly, if the Republicans win, they plan on taking your Social Security, what they want to cut Social Security money, Medicare. Why are they effing with the old, elderly, disabled folks? People that's disabled, elderly, have, problems that Social Security check or that Medicare helps them have a better chance at life. And why would Republicans allegedly want to take that away? What in the heck is wrong with them? They got people that's running for candidates, Republican candidates that are running, saying that's exactly what they're gonna do, slash Medicare and slash Social Security. If y'all if anybody or a bunch of folks is on Medicare or Social Security, or you know folks that are on this, I would suggest, or you guys might be just let them know that that's the alleged Republicans' plan, is to cut benefits, make the rich richer and the poor more miserable and suffer more. Boy, this mess is just crazy. The way that the rich still don't give a damn about folks that are just trying to live a peaceful, happy life with the little means they have, and you want to take that away. Folks that have worked their whole life, now they living off their Social Security check, and you want to take that away. High as the cost of living is increasing, inflation skyrocketing, prices, everything is more expensive, and you talking about taking some money back. Man, if only the shoe was on the other foot, and the people, which we have a free election now, if everybody vote the way they need to be voting, it's going to be free and fair. But if certain folks, allegedly Republicans, win, they saying they're going to take the free and fair election away. And we're not going to have a voice. We're not going to have a choice. So that's why it's so important for you all, if you're registered, to get out there and vote today. Yep, just get out there and go vote. Make a change. Make the change so that it can help folks not worry about their livelihoods being taken away by the alleged crazy, the alleged crazier, the alleged insane. Because folks, I don't know why they so miserable, why their lives ain't they want to make everybody else just as miserable as them. So that's why they want to take away your rights, your livelihood in this United States of America. Then you already know they took away the woman right to her body. They telling the woman what to do with her body in a law. This is crazy. This is mind-blowing. Telling a woman when she can and cannot have a baby. This is so insane. Ain't none of their business. If only the shoe was on their foot and can tell them when they can't come and go, or give any money you make, it got to go to the the areas that need it the most. And your paycheck, you can't keep your paycheck. If only we were in control of the people that run Congress, and we can be in charge of their paychecks and see how they feel. If you got somebody telling you how and when you can come and go and where your money got to go, see how they would like it. I'm sure they wouldn't like it at all, but they sure love pulling these tricks and shenanigans and bull crap on the poor. They love telling the poor what to do, what they can and can't do, and what they can have and can't have, and how good they can live and how bad they must live according to them, in order to make them feel good about themselves. Oh, we telling the poor they can't exist without doing this, that, and other. Man, get out here. But anyway, I just wanted to come through here and share my little groceries. I'll be on the roll if I keep on talking about this stuff. But I hope you guys go out there and vote the right way. Because if you vote a different way, you might regret it. Because they cutting Social Security checks and Medicare. And most poor folks, that's what they living off of. Welfare, Medicare, Social Security. So the choice is yours. And rights. The Constitution, the amendments, they want to change all that. The alleged Republicans, if y'all better wake up and see what the heck going on. Listen to these folks telling y'all that's what's gonna happen. But if you don't believe and you vote the other way, so be it. A bunch of us folks, we're gonna sit back and we just gonna I guess just be looking and shaking our head. Tried to tell you, tried to warn you, but you wouldn't listen. But anyway, let me tell y'all, this is a small online pickup Target haul. I got the Uncle Ben for the holidays, Thanksgiving holidays. I got like 5 boxes of Uncle Ben. Not gonna eat all 5 for the Thanksgiving meal coming up, but some will be going in the storage pantry area. I got 2. Wait a minute, should be 3. Did I get 2 at all? I thought I had 3 things of chili powder, but maybe it was just the 2. But anyway, I got a couple of chili powders and I got 1 dill wheat. And as you can see, I got the microwavable minute white rice. I got 6 of those going in the pantry, and I got some of these cheap plates they had on sale. It's 24 plates, 10-inch. They claim heavy duty, but they ain't as heavy duty as the ones you get from Sam's Club. They all right, but you gotta use 2 of them. So I will not be doing this again. I just got them because they were cheap, $3. And I got the 8.5 inch. You put a slice of cake, pie, or some cookies on there. But it ain't for no big heavy turkey leg or something like that. But anyway, y'all, I just wanted to come through. Oh, and I got some 3 things of the Pepsi Zero. Oh, and I got some Arm & Hammer peroxide care. I'm probably toothpaste. I got some toothpaste. But yeah, this is the haul. I just wanted to come through and share this small little haul, stockpile, buying stuff on sale, grocery haul. Today is Tuesday. Tomorrow, the new sale start out here on Wednesday. Check your ads. It's good to shop sale items. And I hear a lot of turkeys on sale, hams and whatever y'all want to have for Thanksgiving. Some of us are on a fixed budget and get money on certain days. You need to go ahead and check your ad and start getting things for your Thanksgiving dinner. Because when you're on a fixed budget and you don't have any extra money coming in, you need to just go ahead on and get what you're going to get. If you got a food pantry, check those out and try and pick up some food, odds and ends from there. And start, preparing for Thanksgiving. I know this advice, suggestions has been offered on many occasions. I'm just saying it today on this video. Hope it helps somebody to snap out of it and start preparing and get ready for Thanksgiving. Get your stuff for your cake. You make it. Homemade cakes are delicious. Homemade pies. I'm making a homemade pie crust. Today we have a meatloaf. I'm taking some steaks. I'm gonna put them in the grinder and make fresh ground beef. Mix it with some turkey ground. I'm making a meatloaf. We have mashed potatoes and some vegetables. That's right. And I might probably bake some red apples. Okay, y'all. Y'all stay prepared. Go vote. Make a difference. If you make the wrong choice, remember, you're just gonna be suffering because your checks get cut. And Biden, he has done a lot. Whether folks believe it or not, he has passed a lot of stuff. Check it out. What is the college forgiveness loan? He cut the medicine cheaper and all that old good stuff. He did a bunch of stuff. The Democrats have done a lot of stuff too. And hopefully, if everything go right, more good laws can get passed and folks can live happy for a little while anyway before the Republicans want to take everything away from poor folks. Republicans get in charge of everything. So y'all, go vote. Okay, guys, Miss Janita is about to grind up some of this steak. Okay, guys, I'm about to use my KitchenAid meat grinder and grind up these steaks and turn it into ground beef. Please excuse all the junk. I got the thing attached to the KitchenAid mixer. The meat gonna come out of here and go down into this bowl. Let me get started. Y'all, hold on. I gotta cut my meat up. It's a little stiff. That's the way I want it. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, I got the meat all cubed up and I'm about to start feeding it in the machine. Okay, guys, this thing is loud, but this is what goes on. The meat comes out and it's falling down into this bowl. I'm going to keep doing this until I'm finished grinding up my ground beef. And then I'm going to make a meatloaf. And that's what we're having for dinner. Y'all see any other junk going on in the background? That's okay. This is me. Disturbed you, anything disturbing you in this video, please cut it off. If not, enjoy the video. You want to donate? Donate. I did say $5 on here. I can get a minimum of $2 if you would like. I would appreciate it. Love my supporters. You love my entertainment. I have 2 more channels to entertain you on that you can donate on this channel if you want, or use my PayPal, not my PayPal, my Cash App. Please support Miss Janita's channels. Hope y'all enjoy this. I'm making fresh ground beef with some New York steaks. Holla! Gonna be grind. It's gonna be I'm making meatloaf, like I said. Now I'm about to finish this up, and that will conclude this video. And hope you guys enjoyed this part of the video. Stay prepared, get out there and vote. Let's make a keep America democracy. Let's not have kings and queens and alleged craziers and insanes running the government. Please, y'all, help out. Do your duty, go vote. It's spirit boosting time. Spirit boosting time. Spirit